Hey guys, this is Christopher with another Onshape tutorial. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use the thicken tool. So, like always, we need to start out with a sketch. But this time, rather than making a closed profile, we're going to make an open one. So it won't be like a polygon. I'm just going to leave these ends unconnected, so we don't actually have a closed shape anywhere here. And now we're actually going to extrude it without having a shape there. But instead of doing a solid extrude, we will be doing a surface extrude. And you can click on this edge, and now we have an infinitely small surface. You can see this has no thickness at all. It is infinitely thin. And this surface we can extrude any length, like a normal extrude. And now we have this surface. Now, this isn't very useful since it's infinitely thin, and in the real world you can't actually have anything infinitely thin like this, not even paper. Paper has thickness. But we can thicken it with this tool and select the surface, and now we can choose either side of this can be thickened, and it just gives a dimension to the thickness of our surface here. You can give it whatever thickness you want, and you can actually thicken it on both sides. So now our surface is here in the middle, and we could decide to do more on one side and less on the other. And now we have this shape, which we could actually make, unlike a surface. And actually, if you look down here in your part tree, there are actually two entities. We have this part, and we still have the surface here. We haven't actually deleted or gotten rid of this surface. So we could still use this for something else. So like we could thicken again, and we could remove this time, and in one direction we do that. And now we actually use the same surface to create that, and it actually made this into two parts, because now we have this outside or the inside part and the outside part. And we still have this original surface. We can make that visible. This blue piece right here, that's the original surface that we started with. So this is pretty useful for shapes with radiuses or radii like that, because although you could just extrude this, you'd have to do a lot of calculating to get all of these inside curves and make it a consistent thickness. So if you just use the thicken tool, then it automatically does all of that for you, and you can end up with something like that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe.